The yellow mongoose is a small, intriguing mammal native to southern Africa. Known for its vibrant fur and social behaviors, the yellow mongoose is a member of the Herpestidae family, which also includes other mongoose species, meerkats, and civets. The yellow mongoose is easily recognizable by its distinctive golden yellow fur, which varies in shade from light yellow to a rich reddish brown, depending on the region and subspecies. The fur is dense and soft, providing excellent insulation against the varying temperatures of its habitat. Adult yellow mongooses typically measure between 50 and 70 centimeters in length, including a bushy tail that accounts for roughly half of this length. The tail is a key feature, often tipped with a contrasting white or black tuft. They weigh between 500 grams and 1 kilogram, with males generally being larger and heavier than females. The yellow mongoose has a slender, elongated body and short limbs, adapted for swift and agile movement. Their heads are small with pointed snouts, keen eyesight, and sharp hearing, allowing them to detect prey and predators with ease. Their claws are non-retractable, well suited for digging and foraging. Yellow mongooses are predominantly found in the arid and semi-arid regions of southern Africa. Their range extends across several countries, including South Africa, Namibia, Botswana, Zimbabwe, and Angola. They thrive in open habitats such as grasslands, savannas, scrublands, and semi-deserts, where they can find both shelter and food. These mongooses are highly adaptable and can sometimes be found near human settlements, where they take advantage of the altered landscape and abundant food sources. They prefer areas with loose, sandy soil that facilitates their burrowing activities, and they often occupy abandoned termite mounds or the burrows of other animals, such as aardvarks and ground squirrels. The yellow mongoose is an omnivore with a diverse diet that varies seasonally and regionally. Its primary diet consists of insects, including beetles, ants, termites, and grasshoppers. They are also known to consume small vertebrates such as rodents, birds, lizards, and snakes. In addition, they occasionally eat eggs, fruit, and other plant matter. Foraging behavior is primarily diurnal, with activity peaks in the early morning and late afternoon when temperatures are cooler. Yellow mongooses use their sharp claws and keen sense of smell to locate and dig up prey. They exhibit a variety of hunting techniques, from active pursuit to ambush predation, and are known for their agility and speed. Yellow mongooses are social animals that live in small family groups, typically consisting of a dominant breeding pair and their offspring. Group sizes can range from 2 to 8 individuals. These groups are often part of larger, loosely connected communities that share overlapping territories. Communication within groups is vital for maintaining social bonds and coordinating activities. Yellow mongooses use a combination of vocalizations, body language, and scent marking to communicate. They produce a range of sounds, including growls, purrs, and high-pitched calls, each serving a specific function, from signaling alarm to reinforcing social bonds. Scent marking is another crucial aspect of their social behavior. They have well-developed anal glands that produce a pungent secretion used to mark territory and communicate reproductive status. They also use cheek glands to mark objects within their environment. Yellow mongooses typically breed once a year, with the breeding season varying depending on the region. In southern Africa, it generally occurs during the rainy season, from August to March, when food is most abundant. After a gestation period of about 42 to 57 days, females give birth to a litter of 2 to 5 pups. The pups are born blind and helpless, relying entirely on their mother for nourishment and protection. The mother nurses the pups for the first few weeks, gradually introducing them to solid food as they grow. Weaning occurs at around 6 to 8 weeks, but the young mongooses remain with their family group for several months, learning essential survival skills from their parents and siblings. Sexual maturity is reached at about 10 months of age, at which point some individuals may leave to establish their own territories, while others remain within the natal group. In the wild, yellow mongooses have an average lifespan of around 6 to 10 years, though they can live longer in captivity. Yellow mongooses face predation from various larger carnivores, including birds of prey, jackals, and snakes. They are also vulnerable to domestic dogs and cats, especially in areas near human settlements. To avoid predation, yellow mongooses rely on their keen senses and agility. They are alert and vigilant, often posting sentries to watch for danger while the rest of the group forages. When threatened, they can retreat quickly to the safety of their burrows. Human activities also pose significant threats to yellow mongooses. Habitat destruction due to agricultural expansion, urban development, and mining reduces the availability of suitable habitats. Additionally, they are sometimes hunted or trapped as pests, particularly in areas where they are perceived to threaten livestock or crops.